So everybody's been having a lot of fun with the new Mesh to MetaHuman creator, and I wanted to jump in and see what I could do with it, and I really wanted to push the limits and see what it could really do. And I've played around with MetaHuman a decent amount. I like to take an existing sculpt and run it through the Mesh to MetaHuman and see if we can break something or how far we can really push the proportions of the face. So I have a bunch of sculpts that I've done in the past. You can look through my ArtStation or whatever that are pretty goofy looking. And today we're going to try to make the ugliest MetaHuman. So buckle up, buckaroos. It's going to be weird. All right, so first things first. I'm going to load up this sculpt. I don't know what the hell I was thinking when I made this. All you need to do to prep your model is I'm going to delete. I don't need the higher subdivision levels. I'm just going to separate the head from the body. I've got it separated out into some polygroups. I'm going to delete the hidden geometry. Now I need to be at the lowest subdivision level. And then I'm going to combine this head mesh with the eye mesh and just export it. You don't really need texture maps or anything like that. MetaHuman Creator is going to supply all of that. You're really just looking for the primary and some of the secondary details of the face. And we're going to try to, there's renders of this that I've done in Arnold. We're going to try to match that up as best we can in the MetaHuman Creator. Maybe even, have it look as good, if not better. I'm going to export this out, and the next step is we have to move on to Unreal Engine. All right, so we have Unreal Engine loaded up. There's a couple steps to get this ready. I'm going to import my model, and then you need to make a MetaHuman identity. And there's a plugin that you have to check on, Plugin Manager. It's already on in this project file, but if you just search for it, you can just check it on. I think you have to restart your project. All right, the identity is created. Now we're going to open up the identity. And so pretty much all you have to do is bring in your mesh. You can just search for it here. And then it looks like it's going to come in rotated a little goofy. ZBrush and Unreal don't like each other that way. And essentially what it's going to do is you want to line up your face so it's facing the camera head on. And then you're going to create a frame of that, which essentially just captures a still frame of the way you position your model. All right, and now we're going to track, and it's going to try to isolate the eyes, the nasolabial fold, and the lips. And it looks like it did a pretty crappy job. It did an alright job with the lips. But you can go in and manually place these splines, which I'll do right here. I think I'll fast forward a little bit, spare you the monotony of placing these points where they need to be. All right, and then once you have everything set up correctly, you just export it. MetaHuman will be available in your MetaHuman outliner. And so we'll jump over to a web browser now and go from there. All right, this is how it came in. Right off the bat, I'm seeing some issues with the eyes and this right ear, or his left ear. But overall, I think it did a pretty amazing job with what we threw at it. So they must have tested the hell out of this thing. So, if you're working on your own MetaHuman project, I don't know why you would watch this video, but how you can fix some of this geometry that's all out of whack. Well, first let's give him some skin. Let's enable editing. We'll unlock this guy. And this just allows you to sculpt on the MetaHuman. We're going to assign a skin texture. Oh my god. Let's just see how far we can push this. Oh, that's weird. So what I'm assuming is there's a max cap for the size of the eyes. And that custom sculpt that I had in ZBrush, I blew up the eyes way, way larger than they would be per average eye size of any human. So what you can do is come over here and this is sort of like region influences of blend shape. If you work with blend shapes in Maya, it's similar to that. So we're gonna just dial that down. Oops. And then we're gonna come to this outer eyelid area and fix some of that too, just a little, not too much. Because we still want it to be weird looking. Alright, I think that's a healthy compromise. Oh my god. Alright, yeah, let's just fix this ear a little bit, because we can actually see this is like clipping into the cranium. Alright, just enough so it's like out. Let me see how this is affecting the other ear. Oop. Normal ears, yeah, somewhere around, let's keep it at 8. Just enough. That's a plausible ear. I'm sure someone in the world's ear looks like that. Oh, we're still getting some clipping on this eyeball. Oh. Let's do this. This is like a balancing act right here. Oh, looks like there's all sorts of weird clipping going on here. All right, that's good. I'll leave the eyes like that because I don't want any weird clipping issues. All right, let's move back to the skin. Let's give him some weird stuff going on. Some freckles. I think that's good. How about some rosy cheeks? Let's take this down. Just give him like dark eye under eyes, eye bags. Yeah, I might come back and play with this a little bit later. Let's look at the eyes. Gray. Zombie eyes. What are these? Well, he's definitely he's definitely getting there. All right, let's move on to the teeth. Let's just go all out with this and see how fugly we can make this. Upper shift. Move these all the way to the right. Move all the way these to the left. Let's see, overbite or underbite. Let's go. Let's overjet. Yeah, let's turn that all the way up or down. Oh, that's variation. Let's do. Receding gums. Yes. Narrowness. Yes. Perfect. Let's give him a little bit more plaque. Let's give him some gingivitis. How come this won't open the jaw? Is this thing broken? I think we're going to leave the makeup off. What's going on under here? some eyeshadow. This might actually work. I think I'll just leave this very subtle. Let me see if I can. All right, let's give him some hair. I think that. See what this looks like. Let's give him maybe ginger or blonde. Give him a little salt and pepper too. All right. I think that's good. I feel like he should either have no no eyebrows is pretty ugly, but we should give him some eyebrows. These I think those might be the ones, just like light and wispy. Eyelashes. This is a little weird. I don't know why it matches the eyelash color immediately to the hair color, but let's give him long lashes, and I think they should just be, dark, regardless of. I don't know. What does enable hair dye do? Ooh. Can I do this with the head too? Yeah. Let's give him like. Blue. Nah, I'll mess with this later. I don't want to waste your guys' time. Obviously, this is really an important project here. I don't want to make this video 2 hours long of messing with the character creator. Alright, mustache. I want to say... either Flavor Saver... Oh, God. This is ridiculous. Or really creepy thin mustache. This is a tough call. I want to say long mustache. Let's see what about beard too. I don't want to. Oh God. See, I don't want to hide the jawline too much. But I think some creepy patchy beard is still good. It looks like there's some patchiness here. I don't know what's going on there. I bet the really weird asymmetrical face topology is messing with the way this beard conforms to the face. Let's just stick with this. I think is good. That's nice and creepy. Oh my God! Look how small his head is. All right. Proportions. Let's make him average. And that. I think fat's gonna look. Nah. I think he's got to be underweight and short. And also make his head really big. Something like that. I don't know about clothes here. Let's just leave him shirtless. Let's just give him some. Let's just give him some shorts. Or these. Yeah, that. Yeah. He's just been out cycling. Yeah, we'll leave the flops on. All right, let's go back to the head because I'm not really happy with his hair. Oh. Wow. much fun doing this. I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to do more than one of these. Let me lighten up this hair a little bit. I, as much as I like these longer bun hairstyles, I think that it's got to be this one. Maybe is the creepiest, ugliest. No offense to bald people. Maybe this one. uh, all right, let's run them through the some anime. Oh my god. What? Let's look at that. Yeah. Oh, that's what that is. Okay, so his gums are clipping through the bottom of his chin there. Definitely giving me Gollum vibes. Strong Gollum energy. He's so glad to be here. Wow. This is so nice, I have to say. MetaHuman. I mean, it just gives you like a perfect rig right off the bat. Like this is the most difficult, tedious section of like character work for me. So, just like being able to put whatever you want in there, any humanoid roughly, and having it rig it up like AAA rig right away is so nice. Let's see. What? He's looking at his hands. What is going on? Yeah, go having some stretching. I'm a real boy. Let me go back to his. Let me see if I can fix this. Just a little bit. Turn this down. Just. Or, what does this do? Give him real big lips. Alright, we're gonna just take this down to like here. And then let's see if this clips through again. It's not as bad. Oh my god, what have I done? Oh, there's a little clipping there. I don't know if that can be helped. Alright guys, I better call this one done for now, before this video gets too long, but if you stuck it out this far, congratulations. Drop me a like, and hopefully you learned something, probably not, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.